Introduce highlight features or overview summary of AGPTEK 800 GPH pool filter pump for above ground pools. There are features include crystal clear water recovery, engineered with a powerful 800 GPH flow rate. This pump is a lifesaver for pools up to 6,000 gallons. Its advanced 3-chamber filtration actively stabilizes pH levels between 7.0 to 7.4, rapidly removing cloudiness, sand, and fine debris after heavy rain or weekend pool parties. Enjoy a sparkling clean swimming environment with a system that restores water clarity in a single cycle. Prioritizing family safety, designed specifically for parents' peace of mind. The Integrated Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter or GFCI provides millisecond leakage protection by instantly cutting power if an electrical fault is detected. Combined with an extra long 24-foot power cord, it allows you to keep electrical outlets at a safe physical distance from the water, ensuring a secure environment for children and adults alike. Seamless compatibility and setup, specifically optimized for 10, 12, and 15 feet above ground pools. Fully compatible with Type A or C filter cartridges, the most accessible standard. Includes 4 heavy-duty hoses and 8 secure clamps for a leak-proof, tool-free installation in under 10 minutes. Whisper-quiet circulation. Unlike noisy industrial pumps, our high-efficiency motor runs quietly in the background. Perfect for overnight filtration or during off-peak electricity hours, keeping your water crystal clear without disturbing your backyard relaxation or the neighbors. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.